This application is based on basic electrician, electrical, and electronic technology as a theoretical framework of the basics, and through the combination of text, models, animations, and interactions, it demonstrates concepts and principles that are not easy for users to understand. Within the DC circuit, it begins with a basic concept of a circuit, including how the circuit operates, and evolving into various laws and theorems, including the basic usage of a multimeter. The sinusoidal AC circuit has an overview and formulas associated to the sinusoidal AC circuit, including the generation of sinusoidal AC alternating current through a single sine AC series circuit and three-phase AC circuit. Within the electromagnetic principle module, here the user can review various electromagnetic principles and scenarios. Finally, the Transformers and Motors introduces the basic structure and working principles of the various transformers and asynchronous motors. By creating an immersive learning experience, the electrical and electronic technology application is used to better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For